Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. Today we'll be performing fundamental analysis on a banking stock. The name of the stock is the South Indian Bank Limited. The Excel spreadsheet in front of you is an Excel program wherein we feed the financial data of South Indian Bank Limited to this program and arrive at a conclusion whether to invest in that particular banking stock at this point of time or not. For financial data, we'll be using the Stock Edge app. So let's go to the South India Bank Limited on the Stock Edge app. Here we could see that the last traded price of the South India Bank Limited was 14.68 on 19th of October 2018. Now let's go to Fundamental tab and understand about the bank. The sector is banking. The industry is bank private. Now let's understand about the bank. So we click on the Show Profile tab. We could see here that the South Indian Bank was incorporated in 1908 by a group of enterprising men at Thrissur. The product and services involves personal banking, NRI banking, corporate banking. They have branches all over India and a clientele across the world. The bank is considered one of the most proactive banks in India with a competent tech-savvy team of professionals at the core of services. So this was about the bank. Now we come to the financial indicators. We'll be putting these financial values onto our program. The first parameter is the market cap, which is 2656.61. Clearly it's a small cap company. The earning per share is 1.78. The price to earning ratio is 8.24. The industry PE is 31.36. The book value per share is 27.36. Price to book value is 0.54. Dividend yield is 2.72. And the face value is 1. For gross NPA, net NPA, total advances, total provisions, we'll have to go to the money control site to get this financial data. So here we type in the South Indian Bank. We select the financial tab. Here we could see by default the website is showing us the balance sheet. We'll also be requiring the profit and loss statement. So we right click and we open link in new tab. Now we come to our program. The parameter gross NPA is 1980.30 crores. Net NPA is 1415.80. The total advances is 54562.89 and total provisions which is available in the profit and loss statement. The total provisions is 1145.90. Now we come to our fundamental ratio, that is the return ratio. For that we'll be using the Stock Edge app. Under Fundamental tab we click on Ratios. Under drop down menu we select the return ratio. So the first is return on equity, which is 6.98. Return on capital employed is 0.43. Net interest margin is 2.55. Yield on advance is 11.35. So overall return ratio has given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now we come to the efficiency ratio. Here we could see that the net NPA as per our calculation, which is on this, is around 2.59%, whereas here it is 2.60. The gross NPA is 3.63%, whereas here it is 3.59%. Now for tier 1 capital, we'll again have to go to the website, and under balance sheet we could see tier 1 percentage is 10 and tier 2 percentage is 2. So again going to the program, tier 1 percentage is 10 and tier 2 capital is 2. Provisioning coverage ratio is calculated by dividing the total provisions by its total advances. So it is 57.86%. Now coming on to the cost income ratio. For these three ratios, there is a condition that we need to fulfill. Here we need to check whether the value has increased over the time or it has decreased over the time. If it has increased, then put yes. If it has decreased, then put no. So cost income ratio here, we could see from 49.20 it has decreased, so 47.17. So here we put no. Operating cost to asset ratio, from 1.58 it has increased to 1.6, so we put yes. And cost of liabilities, from 6.13 it has decreased to 5.56, so we put no. And earning per share is 1.85. So overall efficiency ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to growth ratio, under the drop down menu we select growth ratios. The first parameter is EPS growth, which is minus 14.96. Advances growth is 17.62. And for operating income growth, we again have to check the same parameter, that whether it has increased. If it has increased, then put yes. If it has decreased, then put no. So operating income growth, it has increased over the period, so yes. So growth ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to liquidity ratio, under the drop down menu we select liquidity ratio. The first is credit to deposits, which is 75.75. The CASA, that is current account savings account, 23.80. Interest expended to total fund is 5.11, and interest income to total funds is 7.49. Now overall liquidity ratio has given us a signal to hold on to our stock at this point of time. Now the program in its entirety has given us a signal to hold on to our investment at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly share, like and subscribe. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Further, if any one of you wants to perform fundamental analysis of any of your particular stock, can write to me in the comment section below. Thank you.